In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Udemy accounts. Merging Udemy accounts can seem like a daunting process at first glance, but worry not because I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you have a smooth experience. Whether you've ended up with multiple accounts by accident, or through changes in your email addresses, merging them can help you streamline your learning experience by bringing all your courses under one roof. Let's start by getting you logged into Udemy. First, head over to the main page of Udemy. You'll find the login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. For those of you who prefer using your Google account for such logins, Udemy has made it super easy. You'll see the Google icon. Clicking on it will lead you to select your Google account for a hassle-free login process. Once you are logged in, your next step is to navigate to your profile. This can be easily done by hovering over your profile photo, also located at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Here your goal is to find the Help and Support option. Clicking on this will take you to the Udemy support page, a comprehensive resource for any assistance you might need while using Udemy. Now within the support center, look for the account / profile option. This section is dedicated to queries and issues related to your Udemy account, including merging accounts. Through this, you'll find the Merging Accounts option. This is a crucial step as it leads you to more detailed information about the process, including eligibility and instructions. Once you're ready and have ensured you're eligible for account merging, look for the contact support link available in the Merging Accounts information. This link is your gateway to personalized assistance from Udemy's support team regarding your account merge request. After clicking on the link, you'll be directed to a form. This form is essential for submitting a ticket to Udemy support about your desire to merge accounts. Here you'll detail your request, providing all necessary information that could facilitate the merging process. Be as clear and concise as possible to avoid back and forth communication that could delay the process. Finally, once you've filled out the form, the last step is to submit it by clicking the Submit button. And just like that, you've initiated the process of merging your Udemy accounts. Remember, once you've submitted your request, it might take a little time for the support team to get back to you, so patience is key. Before I wrap up this tutorial, here's a vital piece of advice. Return to the article on account merging on Udemy's help page to ensure you fully understand the criteria for merging accounts. This little step can save you a lot of time and ensure you meet all the necessary requirements before you make the request. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to merging your Udemy accounts. Remember, the key to a smooth process is to follow each step carefully and provide clear, accurate information when contacting Udemy support. Thank you for watching and happy learning with your newly streamlined Udemy account.